Right, we've got a really nice Audi to show you here. Very special car, this one. 24,700 miles from new. It's a 2008 on an 08, and it's the A8 long wheelbase W12 in exclusive colour with tan exclusive leather. Absolutely superb. I don't think you'll find a better car to drive in. These are absolutely fantastic. Same engine they used in the Bentley, in the Flying Spur. The colour, we struggled to find the colour actually. It is an exclusive colour. It's called Oak Green Pearlescent. Now, barring a couple of little stone chips, the car is like new. Interior wise, it doesn't look as though it's been sat in this car. It is quite a one-off, this. Right, I'm going to show you each wheel and tyre. The car is totally original. It's had no paintwork, there's no scratches, there's no dings. The wheels are original, they've not been refurbished. Diamond cut wheels, Dunlop tyres all round. And I'm going to go carefully down the sides for you, just show you how nice this car is. You can see there on the inside, it's got electric side blinds, it's got electric rear roller blind. And I say, I'll show you each wheel as they're going around. There's one or two little marks. There's a little tiny mark there just on the edge. Front and rear parking sensors. It's got the rear camera. Top tint windscreen. And tyre tread. All really good. While I'm here, I'll just show you, we've got full book pack, we've got 2 keys, service records, MOTs, headphones for the rear entertainment, original handover PDI sheet, had a nice registration number on from new, 1 PMG, it was registered in March 2008. Right, same down this side then. Nice and carefully for you. I mean, just look, it's just superb. Tilt and slide electric sunroof with sun blind. It's a near perfect car, this. Rear wheel. Just see if I can get in the tyre tread to show you. They're all really good, by the way. Also, it's got the upgraded Bang & Olufsen sound system, which you get these extra speakers there on the rear parcel shelf. We've got the electric roller blind just sat at the back of those speakers. Moving to the back. Slight, don't know if you can even see it, in fact I can't now, slight little indentation on the bumper there, very minor. So, W12 Quattro 4-wheel drive system. Absolutely superb. Let's show you in the boot. Got a full-size spare wheel, which doesn't look as though it's been on. First aid kit. And I've just left this to the side to show you it's got the Blaupunkt 6 CD player in the boot. I'll have to fasten those back in a minute, both sides. So, decent sized boot. And in here we've got some tools and triangle. Right, in the rear of the car, first, so the W12 kick strips. All lovely. I mean, it doesn't look as though, look, all this metalwork on here, there's no scratches on it. Everything looks like new. Audi exclusive tan leather. The Bang & Olufsen tweeters there, footrests, dark over carpets bound in tan leather, electric rear seats and massage, and heated and rear air conditioning. Opening this one, it's got the headphone ports in the armrest here, which again, look, doesn't look like it's had an arm on there. The leather is superb. In here we've got the remote, the rear entertainment, and an unopened first aid kit. Now it's got an electric table in the back, which you press the buttons on the side of the seats for the electric table. Chauffeur seat as well to push the front seat forward. This table doesn't look that it's ever been used. There's not a scratch on that burr walnut. It is superb. Alcantara suede roof lining, and these lovely headrests which fold into the back of your neck. Everywhere you look, it looks like new. Soft door close to the driver's side. Lots of speakers. Opening here, we've got the memory, 4-position memory, power folding door mirrors. Again, one little tiny scratch there, other than that, look perfect. Massage on the front seats and heated. Same thing with the headrests. Heated steering wheel. All that lovely burr walnut wood, which has no scratches on. Everything looks perfect. In the armrest, a telephone. And again, it doesn't look as though it's been used. Perfect. We've got little tweeters on top of the dashboard in the corners as well, which pop up when you switch the sound system on. So if you're watching this on YouTube, have a look at our website, justnicecars.co.uk, where you'll see all the photographs and a full description. So long wheelbase, Quattro, W12, 24,800 miles. Not cheap, but certainly this must be one of the best you will find. Any questions, please give us a call at the showroom. I'll answer any questions for you. It'll come with 1 year's MOT. Thank you very much for watching.